Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Come take a test drive today.